Fireside Coffee and Stories, your perfect chill. Hey coffee lovers and cozy night dreamers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're slowing things down and wrapping ourselves in warmth with a drink that feels like a story by the fire, the Fireside Mocha Story Time. This isn't just a recipe, it's a mood. Think crackling logs, soft blankets, and a rich chocolatey mocha that tastes like comfort in a mug. Picture this. It's a cold evening, the lights are low, and you're settling in for a quiet moment just for yourself. That's exactly what this Fireside Mocha was made for. Ingredients: 1 cup milk, any kind you love, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons dark chocolate chips or chocolate syrup, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 shots hot espresso or strong brewed coffee, pinch of cinnamon, whipped cream, optional, chocolate shavings or cocoa powder for topping directions. Start by warming the milk and heavy cream in a small saucepan over low heat. Add the chocolate and brown sugar, stirring slowly until everything melts into a smooth, velvety base. Sprinkle in a pinch of cinnamon and vanilla. This is where the fireside magic begins. Next, brew your espresso and pour it into your favorite mug. Gently add the hot chocolate mixture, stirring until fully combined. Watch the steam rise and take a moment to breathe it in. Top with whipped cream if you're feeling extra cozy, then finish with chocolate shavings or a dusting of cocoa powder. This Fireside Mocha is perfect for reading a chapter of your favorite book, journaling by candlelight, or listening to a quiet story while the world slows down. Every sip is warm, rich, and soothing, like a hug you didn't know you needed. If this drink made your night cozier, give this video a like, subscribe for more comforting coffee recipes, and tell me in the comments, what's your favorite fireside drink? Fire coffee. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors. Coffee the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3coffee lover.